Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function, that is subarray. So what is subarray? Subarray is a built-in function through which we can extract the portion or few of the dimension from the array. So you can consider it as a if you want to find the subset, or if you want to extract the subset of the array, then in that case you can use subarray. So for the demonstration of same, here I have created the one program, that is subarr. So let's go through that program. So here you can see that we are writing the code in fully free format, and here on line number 10 I have declared some control option for the debugging purpose. Below to that I have declared two arrays. One is one with the name technology, and which is of type character 20, and the dimension has 5 dimension. It has 5 dimensions. And similarly we have another array whose name is languages, and it is also of type character of size 20 with dimension 5. All right, so below to that what we are doing, we are just assigning few data or few values to the array 1 dimensions. So here I'm assigning technology 1 rpgle, and in similar way I'm assigning the values to the remaining dimension also for the array 1, means technology array. So it means this array now contains the data for each and every dimension. Okay, now suppose the requirement is that we want to fetch the subset of this array. Let's say I want only these three fields. So how we will do that? We are not going to create like we are not going to reassign the values again. Instead of that, we will use the sub array uh, built-in function, and directly we can access those value in our next array. So this is the syntax of sub array. So you have to just write percentage sub arr, then opening parenthesis, and then you can write your array name on which you want, from which you want to take the subset. Then after a colon you have to put the starting position or starting index from where you want to start the subtract to fetch the subset of the array. And in third parameter you can pass the number of element, like how many elements or dimension you want from that array. So on line number 32 we are using the same thing. We are using percentage sub array, and make sure that whatever the value it will return is also a array type. So it should be hold in array. That's why we have created this languages array. So here I'm using sub percentage sub arr, and my first parameter is technology because I want to fetch the data from this array, or I want to fetch the subset of this array. Okay, and after a colon I have to put the starting position. So here I'm putting the starting position as 3. So what it will do, it will start the subset of the array from third dimension. And after that we are just taking element three number of element. Okay, so what it will do, it will start from here and it will take Angular, Java and COBOL. And once it is returned from the built-in function, it gets stored in this languages array. So below to that what we are doing, we are just displaying languages 1. It means the data for the dimension 1, 2, 3, 4. So uh, 4 and 5 will be blank. Why? Because we are taking only 3 values from there. So, and at last we are just using star inlr equals to star on to end the program. So now we will call this program. So I have compiled it. Now I'm calling this. So it shows Angular, Java, COBOL, and 2 blank. So this is what we are expecting from this program. Why? Because we have taken the subset of the array from third position, and after that we are just taking 3 number of elements. So it started the extraction from this position and picks the below 3 lines, these 3 lines. Okay, so this is how we can make use of percentage sub arr. It is mainly used for extract the subset of the array, or you can say that it extract specific dimension from the array. So yeah, in that way you can use this built-in function. So yeah, that's it for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.